Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate from cacao using an easy method. Start with the best cacao beans you can find. Quality truly makes a difference in your final chocolate. We'll roast them gently in an oven at around 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an ear out for a subtle popping sound, which signals they are perfectly roasted. Once done, let them cool completely on a tray. This step is crucial for developing their rich, deep flavor. Now it's time to winnow, which means removing the papery outer shell from your roasted beans. This reveals the cacao nibs, the true heart of your chocolate. You can do this by hand or with a simple winnower. Once you have your clean nibs, crush them into a coarse paste. A food processor is ideal for this, or you can use a mortar and pestle for a more hands-on approach. Next, we'll transform that coarse paste into a smooth, flowing cacao liquor. This involves continuous grinding, ideally in a melanger or a stone grinder, for several hours. The friction generates heat, melting the cacao butter naturally present in the nibs, turning it into a liquid. This extended grinding refines the particles to a tiny size, ensuring your chocolate has that wonderfully smooth, luxurious texture we all love. Finally, it's time to sweeten your chocolate. Add your preferred amount of sugar to the warm cacao liquor and mix it in thoroughly until it's completely dissolved. The last crucial step is tempering. This involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to specific temperatures, which creates stable cocoa butter crystals. Tempering gives your homemade chocolate a beautiful glossy shine, a firm texture, and that delightful, crisp snap when you break it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.